Welcome back to another video on trading for beginners. In today's video I am going to teach you how you can generate unlimited images using free online AI tools. You don't need to submit your debit or credit card information. Simply create a free account and start to generate images by giving simple prompt. In this video I will teach you full step-by-step tutorial on how you can generate images using these free AI tools. Now let's start it. First of all, open any internet browser and search Leonardo AI. You will find this website Leonardo AI art generator, create art, images and more. Open this website. Click on this create an account to create a free account. Since it's very easy, so I am directly logging into the dashboard of this AI tools to make this video short. Click on this launch app. After creating account, you will enter it to this beautiful dashboard, and here you will find lots of examples of art that are generated with the help of this Leonardo AI online tools. And this Leonardo AI has recently launched this motion picture, real-time generation and many other tools. I will introduce you with them in another video, and for now I am going through this image generation. Click on this image generation. You can see here the images I had already generated with the help of this AI tools. You will get 150 tokens in every 12 hours. It means you will get 300 tokens every day, and you can token to generate an image. It means you can generate 150 images from a single account, which is enough for us. And if you want more, then you can use multiple accounts to use it as unlimited. And from this left navigation menu, you can control image aspect ratio, photoreal, prompt magic and many other from here. Now give a short and sweet prompt. A boy doing hiking in the base camp of Mount Everest. Let's see how accurate image it will generate for us. Click on this generate. Wow, you can see here a small boy doing hiking in the base camp of Mount Everest. It's very accurate image generated by this AI tool, and you can also generate cartoons, character and make cartoon videos to make earning from this AI tool. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Trading for Beginners for this type of video in coming days. This much for today. I will see you in my another video with new topic. Bye bye. Have a good day.